Are you looking for the best paraffin wax baths in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best paraffin wax baths that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. COIDEAL Paraffin Wax Machine for Hand and Feet. COIDEAL has designed this quick heating paraffin bath spa with a capacity of 3,000 milliliters. It makes your skin highly moisturized, softer, youthful, and gives it a beautiful look. It is beneficial for daily stress, pain, and relief. The sleek composite exterior and the highly durable metal interior offers ample space to dip your feet, hands, or elbows in it. It is simple to operate and has an LCD screen, which shows the temperature of the wax. The bottom of the paraffin wax bath has a grill to protect the heating surface. Also, it has built-in overheat protection with an NTC thermistor, which prevents it from short-circuiting. The temperature range varies from 30 to 85 degrees C. The integrated shining lights accompany you in the whole process during the spa. At number 4. Karit Paraffin Wax Bath Moisturizing Kit. Karit has manufactured this paraffin wax bath kit. It allows you to enjoy a hot wax spa at home. The lid of the container is large enough to dip hands, elbows, and feet deep inside the melted wax. It has an excellent thermal conductivity, which breaks the molecule of the wax quickly and melts in just 0.5 hours. It is due to this specially designed alloy heating pot that you can enjoy a wax bath more conveniently. You can adjust the temperature as well as set the timer of the wax bath and keep it aside for melting. This process increases the blood regulation in our body, making the skin look more youthful. The heat from the wax relieves all the stress and pain and hydrates the skin. The brand provides you with excellent after-sales service. At number 3. Salon Paraffin Wax Quick Heating Machine. It is a quick heating wax bath made by Salon. The warmth of the wax smoothens and softens your dry and dead skin cells. This therapy is right for arthritis. You can melt 3 pounds of wax in it in just 0.5 hours. The built-in thermistor and fuse prevent the wax bath from overheating, giving you peace of mind at home. You can save your time and money both by doing a spa at home with this superb kit. The ample space of the wax bath allows you to dip your feet, hands, and elbows inside the bath. This wax machine measures 10 inches in length, 7 inches in depth, and 3 inches in width. Along with the bath, you get 4 thermal mitts, a brush, and a heat-insulating grid, and 200 pieces of liners for both hands and feet. The brand guarantees a full money refund in case you don't like the product. At number 2. Therabath Professional Thermotherapy Paraffin Bath. Therabath has designed a new and improved model of the paraffin wax bath, which is 25% deeper than the previous models. It has a capacity of 6 to 9 pounds by weight. The power of heat therapy relieves muscle stiffness and increase blood circulation. It has been compelling in the case of arthritis. Along with this, the warmth of the wax provides a shiny and silky look to your skin. These bath units are easy to clean and are hand-assembled, which makes them durable as well as reliable. The brand ensures that it is safer than the refrigerator at our homes. The always safe temperature range allows it to run for 24 hours a day. The thermotherapy treatment aids in rehabilitation and provides more warmth to the particular part than the other therapies. At number 1. Salon Sundry Portable Electric Paraffin Wax Warmer. The professional-grade warmer is constructed with sleek composite exterior and durable metal interior. It features a large room to dip your hands, feet, and elbows in it. The adjustable temperature control allows easy melting, and the digital display shows the temperature clearly. For secure handling, the side handles are integrated into the tank. You also get a composite grill with it to place at the bottom of the tank to protect the heating surface. The bright view screen allows easy monitoring of the wax inside the container. This Salon Sundry wax warmer is easy to clean. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.